Hello guys, in this video let us do a quick unboxing and review of the RockSteady Stadium speakers. So these are Bluetooth speakers which are quite portable and produces amazing sound. So here you can see it says the immersive speaker you have been waiting for has been. Unboxing the box, you get the aux cable, USB cable, the charging adapter. Then you have the speakers itself, which looks quite cool and is very compact. To the top you have the controls of the speaker. To the rear you have the charging and the aux port. We got a pair of speakers which create studio quality audio and offers immersive sound. So turning on the speakers, you can see we get this sound. And now these speakers are ready to be paired to your smartphone or PC. So here is the sound quality test of the RockSteady Stadium speakers. So in our opinion, these speakers produce some amazing sound. The music is quite clear, the bass response is good, and they use something called as AWSM, which is Advanced Wave Sound Method, which uses AI technology to optimize the sound frequency and you get a better and clearer sound. So guys, that was a quick unboxing and review of the RockSteady Stadium speakers. The article review and purchase links will be in the description, so you can go and check that out for more information. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to watch some awesome videos. So guys, this is Sai Education signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.